Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. In today's episode, we have a lot to do. The electrician is on site, and we still have the foundations to do. Hopefully, we can get most of that done today. Even though something happened yesterday that you guys will slowly get over the coming vlogs. Yesterday, we cast another lintel on the right side of the building, facing it from the roadway. And today now we're just finishing up the electrical works with the electrician. A very beautiful day on site, isn't it? Hold on. A very beautiful day. And quiet. Let me show you guys in our last video. This was, you did see the farm work on this cast, that cast, and farm work on the other side. So I'm gonna run back a clip of this one, I did a showing it. As you can see, cast up. See built in there on top. These are frame up cast. This is cast from the last vlog. That works on a cast. Yep. So we're on the other side of the building, as you can see. A bell come right across. Already above lintel light. Belt beam will go up because we say the homeowner is pushing for decking. So they want them slab, they want to move in, they're ready. These casts left the cast. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 represent where the pole will go. So a pole is going to be on top of this. As I said in our previous videos, I do not practice to put conduits instead of a structural member, meaning I'm gonna put the pipe them in the non-at-all. It creates a void. Bigger the pipe, the bigger the void. We don't want that. Marijuana. Name them one. Marijuana. So team Ismash, the guys them down there did them thing, and we don't have much space as well as much things to show no. Besides from them the well in our wall. A lot of spaces on the see in our wall, but them put in a new wall. I'm telling you on previous vlogs that it's a last minute decision. Them drive some steel in there and then cast out the side, them flash them and them flash the beams, and the electrician them do them thing. I don't know what to show you know, the electrical work because I'm gonna end up talk foolishness. So tomorrow now when we come back on set, I say I can just go over it and show now a little bit, but as of right now, me have to head out. So see you in the next clip. Good morning again, team Ismash. Welcome back to the second half of this video, and we're back on site again. We are still focusing on the trench, the foundation for the second half of the building. The guys are here doing steel work, as well as we are remove some of the oversight from downstairs because we are prepared for cast them floor there, as well as we'll finish up the flashing of the interior wall on one section of the building. Yeah, the column footing them today. Tomorrow. Oh, okay. makeshift ramp. How do you artist? Yeah, I see you, man, I see you. Yeah. So as I said, this side I will become less of the focus and more on this side. How do you rest? See you, man. Yes. This is center wall. Everybody fully active today. Days are just calm and quiet and nice until some things like casting at the slab or something like that. Just always different from these days. It's just nice. A sight of more than 10 men. This quiet. Body I work diligently. I didn't want like a thing, no nice, no nothing. Can hear myself think. So around here start clean up because the manual they need to put in if we go down to the septic. So we dig off a whole half here. So manual, I believe a second one I got here. So then they have like a distribution box like well these one commit one cross here, so right here, so then it go nice. Morning again, team Ismash. Welcome to the final day of the vlog. Sorry for driving and vlogging at the same time, but I remember say I'm gonna close out the vlog as yet, and today is a reasonably enough day to close out the vlog. Right now, mate, I'm kind of sweltering. The place hot. I mean, I sweat. I've been working from morning like intensive labor. On the way to pick up something right now, and then we go back to the side. So we have a quick run, and then we go back to the side to finish up this vlog. As you guys see from the previous day, we are still working on cleaning out where the retaining walls are, removing the earth. With you guys, and with that, we still have put up the belting, because that is a work in progress, as well as the electrician is here. We had put some trenches in our ground for put on some conduit, and I'm going to show you the rendering of the take place. So when somebody owe you and then call you once and second for your money, stop everything where you do and go feed. So the waiting game begins. First, memory then shows up on site, you know. I have this bad habit of wearing everything I may have on site, regardless of what it is and how new it is. Beat everything. Yes, sir. Factors that affect construction. Friggin' rain. Friggin' rain. We are dig. Our worst day for rain fall. If rain continue fall, we never can finish the what we are doing for today. So, if you plan to build or do any form of construction we have to do with the outside of your building and during the rainy season, your construction costs actually higher than during like a drier season. So yeah, you're waiting again. My hand them a kill me. They can't them, bro. Can't. Wanna do it up, man? Yeah. Then they need me straight. Oh.
How do that, man?
Inside
How do this
one? We don't know what's up with the door here and I pass it, I say.
Which one direct this?
You know me here, man, there back there. Mommy. sit down and experience what I can do.
Water table. Lightning man. Jams them. Reveal. Suffix. What's that new thing? Can't really show what that. Here, so now only have the first coat on it, the scratch coat. So yep, all that earth we all look on right there, so did the right here, so this morning I will get rid of it. But honestly, did in need a helper, a small excavator or a bobcat. However, we're not none, so we have to work without it. So two guys, I'm gonna give a pound, clean up the whole here, so all of that earth there. Brother myself lucky. So the same plumber I go put on grease strap right there, so gully basin right there, so manual right there, so and we connect it to what made a show now on the other side. So guys, we're getting a little freak storm, so it is 6 minutes to 5, therefore we can call it a day. The reason we're done, but they don't show no upstairs and showing us that last part. The plan is to have this side be done monolithic, mean the lintel and the belt. Only the belt on that one. We'll just use the belt as the lintel. The countless amount of time showing that one, the columns and done upon that no finished cast. The belt come right around this last section on this building, and to finish the lintel, reach a belt on this side. After this we can start put up our props, our decking material or the deck, and we should be in the clear. All of this needs to be clean off. Yep, this section of the building let's deal with. So guys, in the next video you would see us executing the casting of this. We'll finish put up the farm work and then we cast, and then we're there. I don't know much completion I can tell you now as of right now in my head, but I kind of lag it. And yeah, let me get out of this whole heap of lightning and thunder where strike and a roll. I'll keep myself safe to upload another vlog. So guys, we're gonna call it a day on this vlog. Stay tuned for our next vlog, as it will be another update on this house. And yeah guys, we'll try to close this off before a year finish at the same pace as the budget. Guys, thanks for watching this vlog. Subscribe if you're new. Team Ismash, I am out.